Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial, let us display, let us retrieve the what it is. Let us retrieve the products from the database, and we can display it to the user. So let us do it right now. So first, for that we need to do 5 steps. The first step is, let me show you. We need to create a layout file for displaying, which is card view, and let should be of card view. Make sure to use the card view, and the file name will be product item layout. It is product item layout, that is every product will be displayed using this layout. So yeah, now it is being created. So for this, the height should be wrap content. And now what you can do is you can add the text views right here. So basically we need text view match parent wrap content, and we can set the margin as 10 dp, and we can set the elevation as 15 dp. 15 dp will be good. And now what we can do is, and for everything we need to, so first let us check what are the things we need. So we need to display the description 1, duration 2, image 3, name, price, usage, and weight. So it is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 text view and 1 image view. So we need to display it right now. So first let us display the name. ID of it would be this. Everything is there where it is. Product name, price, where we have used this. I hope so we have used in admin activity, so we can just type it as user product name. So the ID is this one, and what we can do is text, that is name. It will be align center, and size will be 20. 20 is not enough. Let us display it as 24 sp. And the text color, will be color primary dark, which is the green one. And what you can have is, and what else is remained? I think that's all for a text view. Is there anything remaining? Yeah, I hope so. That's it. So let us close this text view, and now we have a image view. First let us display the text view and then image view. Width will be match parent, height will be 400 dp, that is this much big, and ID of it is user product image. You can name anything you want, but you should keep in mind, so it should be below layout, not this one, above, below. We don't have below, it seems so. And what we can do for it is, and we can just insert a linear layout right here. We can insert a linear layout of match parent and match of match parent. And what we can do is, we can copy this, cut it, and we can paste it right here, and still it is like this. The orientation is vertical, and still we, and for image, yeah, now it's perfect. So for image view it is only this much, and for linear layout it is whole, and for text view it is small, and this is image view. It is 400 dp, and now what you can do is for image we no need to display any image right now at first, and I think that's it guys for image. Yeah, that's it for image, and now we can copy this text view for 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, it is this much big. Now for first one we need to first name, and we can description, and we can have the description right here. And for this, after description we can suggest the price for the user. After price we can suggest the mm, duration. Yeah, duration will be good. Duration for the delivery, duration. And for this, after duration what we can do is yeah, we need to display the weight, and still what is remaining, weight is remaining, and usage. Yeah, you can display the usage, and it is usage and the weight of the product, because if it is highly weight, and yeah, it is weight, it is weight. And right now we have this created this product item layout, which is the step 1, and the step 2 is we need to create a view holder, that is to contain this one. We can create a new package called view holder. So like now we can create it, view holder, and under this view holder we need to create a new Java class, which is, since it contains product, we can name it as product view holder. Yeah, under this product view holder we need to extend something, which is, we need to extend two things, which is Recyclerview dot view holder, and which implements view dot on click listener. Yeah, that is what we need to implement, and we need to import. So we need to implement methods, just click OK, and again we need to implement constructor, which is OK. Yeah, it is, should be down. And now in the item view what we can do is we can get those. See, this is the step 1, we can keep the step 1 here. Since it is not entered, we can close it. This is step 1, and this is step 2. And step 2 we need to display. See, keep in mind guys, whatever you need to display, that is, if you want to display a particular node, that is any one of the node to the user or admin, you need to follow 5 steps. That is, first step is this one, we need to create a view holder, that is, we need to create a XML file for it. And the second step is we need to create a view holder. For view holder, yeah, the first thing is, yeah, we need to first declare the variables. everything should be public, guys. Keep in mind everything should be public. Public text view, text product name, and it is so hard to type everything. You can just paste it right here. It is text product name. Copy it, and we can paste it for 6 more times, and we can copy this entire thing. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Yeah, we have 6 things right now. It is name, description, and right now we have, after description we have price. Yeah, price, and after the price we have, what do we have is, I don't know, I think it is duration. Yeah, after the price we have duration. After duration we have uh, I think we have usage, and the last thing is the product weight. If it is based on the weight, we can calculate for the delivery charges, so we need weight also. After this we also have image view. Yeah, we have image view, public image view. We can name it as image view itself, because only one image view we have, and we have image view equal to, we need to cast it. Yeah, not this one. We need to cast it to image view, and after casting we need to item view dot, under this item view we need to find view by id. Find view by id or dot id dot, we have named as user product image. It's not profile image, it's product image. It is product image. And now what do we have is, after this we have 6 text view. Just we can do a text view, and I don't know why it's showing error expression expected. Item view dot find view by id or dot id dot user product, user product name. Yeah, it's the product name first, and we can copy it for 6 more times and 5 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and we have text product description, text product price, and we have text product duration, description not, it is text product duration. After duration we have usage. After this we have text product weight, and here what we need to do is user product description. Here we have, you can just type the first letter of the word. Now it is user product price, so we can type UPP, UPP, user product price, like that you can use it. User product duration, UPD, and it is UPU, and this one is UPW. It is simple. Yeah, it is description, user product duration. Yeah, it's now done. And next what we need to do is we need to create an interface. So to access everything we need to create an interface. We are going to create a package for it, and we can name it as interface, and we are going to create a new interface. What it let us name the interface, where it is new. I don't know where is the interface. Wait a minute, let me check. New Can you see it? Yeah, new Java class, and here we need to choose it as interface. Just now I forget. I don't know what thought I we need to name it as item click listener. That is for every item click listener what we need to do. Listen. No, I think the spelling is listener. Yeah, now the spelling is right. After this, here what we need to do is void. We need to just click create a only one method which is on click void on click. We need to pass the view. We need to press alt plus enter. We can implement this view view, and we have three parameters here, and in position, that is for position of each view holder, and boolean of is long click. Yeah, this is what we have. And after this we need to set the listener in our product view holder. This is the third step. I hope we have 6 steps. This is the third step. And for here what we need to do is we need to create a new item like listener, which is, let me say you, wait a second guys. Yeah, and yeah, here we need to choose, yeah, here we need to choose. Before that we need the item click listener, which is public item click listener, item click listener. We can name it as item click listener or whatever we want. We can name it as listener because it is so small, so we can name it in that name. And now we can just pass it listener dot on click, and we have to pass the view, not view. Here we have view as v. You can see it right here, v. And here we need to get the adapter position, and here we need to is long click false if it is long click or not. It is not long click, so it is false. And here we have to create one more method, which is public void it's set item click listener, and here we need to pass the item click listener, and it is listener. It's not that listener, we need to pass. Yeah, it's okay, we don't need to worry about it. So this dot listener equal to listener, that is, yeah, this one. Wait a minute guys, let me confuse, I am confusing you. Let us name it as L, and this dot listener, that is this listener equal to L. Now it is simple. After this what we are going to do is we are going to, yeah, before that, this is the third step is over right now, and we can now create the fourth step, which is, yeah, we need to, as we have retrieve the name, password and phone from the users node, we need to retrieve everything from the products node. So this is the fourth step we are going to do, which is products. So right now we can do it, and here it is very simple guys. So it is nothing but private string and all the strings which we have used here. We have these many strings, we can give whatever we want, and we are going to get everything. because we may need it in somewhere in some position. We may need all the information: category, date, description, the spelling should be same. If not, you will get an error. Otherwise, it will throw some runtime error or something like that. Duration, and we have an image. We have the name of the product and the product ID, and we have price. We have time, usage, and we have weight. Yeah, we have everything. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 11 items: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, we have now 11 items. And now we need to create the constructor. Right click here and you can go to generate. Just generate the default constructor. Click OK. And now we need to generate one more constructor with all the parameters. For that, again click right click, generate constructor, select all and click on OK. Yeah, now we have all the constructor. We need to get the getter and setter for it. Again right click and generate getter and setter, and getter and setter for everything. Click OK. Yeah, we have everything right now. Yeah, everything is okay. So after this is the step 4, and we have only one more step, which is we have 6 steps I said. So the 5th step will be, we have already done it already, which is this one, Recyclerview. This is the 5th step, and the 6th step is we need to do it in the Java class, which is this one. Yeah, right now we can do it right now. Yeah, so before doing everything we can just get the Recyclerview first. We can access the Recyclerview from this home activity first, and you can display it. So what you can do is private Recyclerview, Recyclerview, and Recyclerview dot layout manager. We are going to do this first, and after this, wait a minute, guys. Yeah, after this, we need to go down in on create method. In on create method, we need to go down, and here we need to set the recycler. We need to find the view by ID. So for that, Recyclerview equal to find, it's not finish, it's find view by ID or dot id dot it is recycler menu. Yeah, keep in mind we need to use the same ID, that is here we have recycler menu, so do we use that one. And recycler view dot set has fixed size is false, that is it is variable, and we can scroll it right now. And layout manager equal to new linear layout manager of this. Yeah, it is this, and we need to set the Recyclerview dot set layout manager to this layout manager. Yeah, it's not done, and now we need to create an on start method. We can create it right below here. We can leave some space. We can generate the on start method. Yeah, wait a minute, guys. Yeah, let us create now on start method. On start method. Yeah, first we need to get the database reference, which is right here. Private data, it's not database reference equal to which is product ref, because product reference. So make sure to use the libraries which we need to implement. That is, it's not here, it's here. It's here, and we need to add many libraries, which is database. We need to add storage, and we also need to add the Picasso. Where is the Picasso? Do we have Picasso? I think we have not added the Picasso right here. So for that we can just add the Picasso right here. Yeah, for Picasso I think there is Picasso, I hope so, because we have added everything. And I'm searching for Picasso. Yeah, here it is. This is the Picasso, and this Picasso is needed for retrieving the images. Yeah, it's now done. So next what we need to do is, this is the sixth step, as I have said. So in the sixth step we need to get the database reference, and now about this we can do anywhere. About this it will be good. Product ref equal to, it's not, Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child. The child should be of same name, which is products, where the P is caps, products. And right now we have one start method, and here what we need to do is we need to create the two methods, which is the first one is recycler option, Firebase recycler options. And here inside this one we need to pass the model class, which is the products. Let me show you models class, which is this one. You need to pass this one, and you can name anything. The options is the most favorable one. New Firebase recycler option, and here options dot builder. It is Firebase recycler options dot builder. Here inside this we need to pass again the products class, and here now we need to set the query of it. What we need to pass, query is nothing but the way of sorting the required information. Now you will understand it in later classes. So we need to pass the products, it's not product ref. That is, we need to display all the product ref which we are added there. And now we need to pass the products dot class, and we need to build it. Yeah, now it's over. It is recycler options. Now we need to create the recycler adapter. Yeah, recycler adapter. We have recycler adapter. We need to pass the two arguments, which is the products and product view holder. And here we can name that object as adapter. And what we need to do is new Firebase recycler adapter. Yeah, we have everything right here. And here in this error, we need to pass the recycler options, which is the options is the name of the this one, that is object of this method. And right here don't forget to put the semicolon, and on create view holder, when it is created, what we want to do is we need to view alt plus enter, implement this method, and we need to inflate layout inflator dot from parent dot get context. We need to get from the parent. Parent is nothing but the product view holder, and we need to inflate from, it's not here, I hope so, it's here, dot inflate. We need to pass the XML which we have created, which is this one, product item layout. We need to product item, it's not ID, it's layout. Layout dot product item layout. And yeah, it is false. It's not false. Dot. Yeah, it's that's it. I hope so. And it is our dot layout dot product item view holder. And what we need to do right now is let it wait. Product view holder new product view holder of view class which we have created right now. And here we need to return folder. And I think what we will type is view type cannot resolve method in dot layout dot product item layout. And here I think there will be something called true. It is not true. We need to pass the boolean. I think it's 1, it's 0. And let us solve it in the next tutorial. Otherwise, so let it wait. And what we can do is, and now here in this onBind view holder, what we need to do is we need to get the holder, that is product view holder, which is this one, product view holder dot. We can get all the text right here, and we can get the image view. We need to get the first name equal to, it's not equal to, it's, we need to set the text. We need to set the text as, it is not model. This is our model class. So products dot get name, it is get name. And now after the name we have 6 more things, and we have text product weight, text product usage, and duration, description, price, and we can get weight, get usage, it's not time, get usage, and get duration. We need to get the duration, get price, and after this get description. We have description, and yeah, everything is written right. And we can just, the weight will be in grams, kg, kilograms, and the usage will be in more, and the duration will be in days, and the price will be in rupees. We can set the rupees in the next tutorial. And the description is okay, name, everything is set okay. And now what we need to do is, everything is set fine, and we need to pass the Recyclerview dot set adapter to adapter, and we need to adapter dot start listening. Yeah, that's it guys for this tutorial, and we can solve this error in the next tutorial, and we can get the price of it also. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.